Rules for success in life, achieving your full potential, whether it's personal, professional, or academic goals. Having a clear direction provides focus and motivation. Rule 2. Work hard. Success rarely comes without hard work. Dedicate yourself to your pursuits, stay disciplined, and put in consistent effort. Rule 3. Continuous learning. Commit to lifelong learning and personal growth. 4. Take action. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Take action towards your goals. Break tasks into manageable steps and start moving forward. Remember, even small actions can lead to significant progress. Rule 5. Embrace failure. Failure is not the opposite of success, it's a part of it. Rule 7. Stay focused. Avoid distractions and stay focused on your goals. Rule 8. Build resilience. Develop resilience to overcome obstacles and adversity. Rule 9. Take risks. Success often involves taking calculated risks.